I'm not proud of this, but when I'm designing, I'm quite a messy person on my files, to be honest. I'm a very, very fast designer, and that's why I'm creating these videos, the Tuesday tip tutorials, because I want to help as many creatives as I can to become a better and faster graphic designer. But when it comes to organizing my artboards and my actual files, I'm not the best at it. So Illustrator finally changed the way we can rename our artboards, and this is making a huge difference. It's just a double click, and now I'm starting to use it. Before, we had to go to this panel in here, which is called artboards, and if you did not have it on your Illustrator, like quick tools, you would have to go to Windows and then find here artboards, then open it and go one by one, trying to identify which one was it, checking the number here, double clicking and editing here the name. But now, finally, it's been a while, to be honest, but now I'm doing the video. And finally, in the latest releases of Illustrator, you can double click on any artboard name that you want. So double clicking here and edit it. So I can name these speakers corner top banner, and then click intro on my keyboard, and there I have it saved. And I can come here and write again the name and have each one of my artboards organized with the name. It's just a double click. I'm so happy they changed this. And if you didn't know this existed, I'm hoping that you'll start using it just like I am and be a little bit more organized. Let me know in the comments if you're anything like me, if you organize all your files, or if just like me, have it very messy, and if you're excited to try this feature. As always, I'm going to see you next week with another Tuesday tip tutorial. I hope you have a great day. Bye.